Hi, welcome to Rajal Night. Today we are going to discuss about the kind of actions which are involved in project execution as a part of our project management series. As you know, managing the project followed by the projects are essentially important for any of the application development. By keeping this view into an account, how do we require to execute the project is equally important. So being a learner, whenever we are working on project execution, one must be knowing about the kind of actions which are involved in the project execution is what we need to learn. So as a part of the project execution, we need to communicate the expectations and all everything to the stakeholders, which is something relating to the project. At the same time, managing the involvement of the needs of all the stakeholders. Followed by this, make sure everyone has having a common understanding about the kind of work, what is that we are doing. Apart from that, one must be knowing about collecting and as well as the kind of documents, what is that we have identified and learned so far by establishing and managing communication channels across departments. Along with this, project execution majorly focuses apart from this. It focuses more on performing quality assurances to ensure the defined practices, what is that we are following, at the same time, the kind of procedures we see, which are being followed, which are appropriate for the project to understand with. At the same time, implementing approved changes, including corrective actions, preventive actions, and as well as defect repairs as well. Along with that, project execution will also be involved in exchanging the information about the kind of project according to the plan. At the same time, solicit feedback to ensure communication needs which are required for us to meet. And one more important element under project execution is to remove the roadblocks, whatever we have come across while we are working on the project, wherein to achieve work results which are met based upon the requirements we have taken. At the same time, we should be able in a position to stick on to the commit and as well as release project resources in according with the project management plan, what we have scheduled so far. Along with this, we need to follow organization policies, procedures, and as well as processes. At the same time, creating recommendations for performing organization, which will be helpful to increase the effectiveness. Followed by this, we need to implement the recognition of reward system, which is created during the planning process, all that. So these are the major actions which are involved in project execution. Apart from all these, assessing individual team members' performance by facilitating conflict resolutions using the conflict resolution techniques followed by the strategies. At the same time, reviewing the bids and as well as quotations, followed by the negotiating contract terms with prospective sellers and as well as select sellers. Last but not least, implementing and approved process improvements is what comes under project execution. So when being a person who are working under project execution part, one should be knowing about these actions well in advance, and these are the actions which are involved in it. One must be good and familiar with. For more information about project management series, followed by project execution, all that, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.